Was all that work worth it? Okay, I'm gonna hold this up and you just tell me where you want the bottom of the cabinets. Just kind of think about it in terms of two things. One, you're gonna have mugs hanging.
Yeah.
Two, you're gonna have hands reaching.
I feel like where you just put it is good. Because like this is enough space to have.
I nutted it on the first one.
I mean, maybe a little bit lower actually.
Take this pencil.
A little bit lower. Because I want to be able to put maybe like a shelf here and then a shelf within a shelf to put our bowls and our plates.
Yeah.
You know?
Okay.
Can we do that? Is that possible?
Yeah.
Okay. And
for
then
sure.
let me try just a little bit lower.
I just did.
I know more.
Okay. And then grab the level and put it on top of this board and we'll level it up. More. Stop. Up a little bit. Down a little. That right there. Long line and then go over there right now. Just mark the other one again just to make sure.
Okay, so the kitchen is coming together very nicely. We are really making progress. We're gonna put shelves in there, shelves up here, but we're gonna go outside right now and mill our dividers that we're gonna put up here for our shelf and the shelves. We're gonna mill the same tree that we milled these from, the other half. So we're gonna go outside and do that right now and then make even more progress on this. But let me show you guys what we got so far. Looking good, looking good.
This board is so heavy.
Just kidding. Did it work? Ow!
Oh, did you hit the light?
There's pots up there.
Oh my gosh, you okay? Legs up.
Woo! Did it work?
Okay. Dog stole the pencil, that's what happened.
Oh no.
It was right here, and I was like, where did it go? The dog...
Did they tear it up?
Well, they're running out of the forest. They probably carried it out there.
Those thieves.
Where's my pencil? Where is it? I see your footprint. You like it?
Yeah.
You want it back further though?
Yes.
So it doesn't stick out? Okay, I got this one here, so you kind of match up.
Let
And
me get it back to my line, because the lines are really important.
okay. Hold that side. Get your hand up like this.
Ow.
that work worth it?
Heck yeah.
So what does this one have that the last one didn't have?
A lot of things. So we're able to now put things far back without them falling behind.
The curvature of the yurt is really a pain in the butt because you have to cut everything to match the curve. Because if you put a straight board on the back, it leaves a gap.
Yeah.
So no more gap. We cut them to...
Yes, which I absolutely love. I mean, the character of it, the wood we were able to mill from our own forest. This was from a neighbor. I mean, everything about it, this is reclaimed wood. Building this, I mean, everything was free except for the screws. I love it. And now for we are missing one thing. We are putting doors on the cupboards, but we are going to go and find a big piece of driftwood so we can mill planks because we don't have big enough rounds, or we're going to do it like a barnyard style. We're not too sure, but
we're going to make our own cabinet doors for down low.
Yeah.
But
and
up here's going to stay open.
Yeah, it's going to be open. And we don't have hinges until we go into town again. So we can't do that anyway, but I can do my favorite part, which is cleaning and organizing.
We're out here off the grid, but if we go into town now, there's going to be zombies there, I hear.
Whatever.
It's like a zombie virus taking over everybody.
Okay, get out, bye. I'm going to clean and organize now.
All right. Hey, Canadian rainforest, the sunny days are few and far between, so we're trying to maximize them. And we got the 4 kilowatt hour permanent solar system stored here at the property and ready to put up. But I don't have enough trees cleared yet. It's going to be on top of the carport, which you guys saw me build. But I got to clear the trees to allow the sun to come in, and just in case I drop one of those trees on the carport, I don't want to lose the big solar system. So coming up, you're going to see me install the big solar system, and until then, I got the movable solar system. I say movable because we got the Jackery foldable panels down there with the Jackery battery. I got the Jackery panels right there folded with the Jackery battery. Then I got the 200 watt panels, so 200 watts total on the top of the boat with the Blue Eddy. So let me show you guys how I try to maximize the sun when it's out. I can take these guys and move them as the sun moves, so it takes a little bit of effort, but I really enjoy doing it. So this guy's pulling in about 40 watts right now and charging up. I'm finishing the garden beds today, so that's what I'm doing out here. So the truck's gonna go, ladder's gonna go, and the boat's gonna stay for now. I got this Jackery pulling in 43 watts, charging up. Then the Blue Eddy has got 200 watts of panels going into it. Right now it's pulling 131 watts, and so it's nice and happy charging up as well. We also have a battery from Rock Pals that charges all of our LED lights in the yurt. So I'll show you guys that one, and I hang that one on the brow of the boat. So really I have 1, 2, 3, 4 different solar setups here, and I really enjoy the solar. It's so fun to get free energy, and it's just fun to learn about science and about all the renewables that planet Earth gives us. I love mulch and how it replenishes healthy soil. I love the sun and how it can give us power to live in the modern world. So we also do a lot of planning with the weather. So if we know that we're going to get like 2 days of sun in a row, I know that over the course of 1 full day or 2 days, easily I can charge up all of our batteries, which is enough to run our blenders, computers, camera gear, phones, lights, and whatnot. So what I'll do is I'll go inside the yurt and I'll deplete all the batteries and charge all the lights. We have some battery powered lights. I'll charge all the computers and all the camera batteries and all the tool batteries, all my tools, and drain all the batteries so that all of our gadgets in the yurt are full the night before. Wake up in the morning, sun starts rising, throw the batteries back out here and charge them up again. And I think all these guys are technically lithium ion. Check me on that. So they can deplete nice and low, and it's a fun project. I got some really cool batteries coming from Big Battery. If you guys want to hang out on our channel, subscribe and follow us on the journey. And then I'll show you guys the big 300 watt panels I'm installing on top of the carport coming up this spring. So stick with us. I got a lot planned for renewable energy. Got to put the wind turbine up. Got the exercise bicycle turbine going, and possibly might try to harness some of the water, the running water energy in the winter, only when it flows. Growing up, I did a lot of sports. I've always been athletic, and I really wish I would have been more into the sciences, because my brother was always smarter than me, and I sometimes am envious of that. So I wish I would have had more exposure to this kind of stuff, because like if you have a kid and you get them this nice foldable panel and you teach them how to unfold it and how to charge up their gadgets and toys and whatever with it, it just seems to me that getting a kid involved in a simple solar system like this would be so priceless, and it would just allow the kid to grow into adulthood really knowing a lot about energy, what it takes to power certain things, what it takes to get it. I just feel like I'm a better animal and a better human knowing how much energy I use, where it comes from, and trying to get it as clean as possible. And then of course, always trying to reduce my consumption at the same time, so I don't need as much. Come here. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Okay, come on. Load up. Okay, come.
Oh my gosh, you can see my breath. What is the temperature in here? 5? Oh my gosh. Oh, I'm blurry. Okay, there we go. I added another light so it'll focus better. The kitchen looks amazing. Everything is stocked. I still have some miscellaneous things to put away, and then we still have the doors to put on the cupboards at the bottom. So that will get covered up, but I am just so in love with it. And I never used to like filming in the kitchen, especially from this point, because you can see everything behind me. It was just such a mess and just so overwhelming with so much stuff, unorganized, and now I love it. I want everyone to see it, so I'm really excited to start filming some more cooking stuff from this point of view, to where you can see everything behind. So today is Sunday. We always do pancakes Sunday morning, so we're gonna make up some pancakes. Well, Jake is. And the fire is raging, so it's warming up, but it is very chilly this morning. 5 Celsius right now, so let's see, and it's 0 outside. It's cold. All right, pancakes were delicious as always. We always make our pancakes from scratch. They're delish. Recipe will be in the cookbook, ebook cookbook that will be coming out hopefully soon. Working on it. So today is a beautiful day. And since the kitchen is all done, we're gonna focus our attention on our garden because we have some soil that will be coming. So we got our 4 beds laid, and now we're just gonna be preparing them, which is really exciting.
Ooh, you can do it now. Ooh, that's nice. That's perfect right there. Okay. See, that's how I imagined it being, like flat on the ground like that. Here, get your chisel. Look at the middle one right there. Pop the middle one out. Okay, how's that?
Looks good.
Yeah. did it.
I feel your song, I feel your warm breath, I feel your light beating down into my chest. You give me life, you give me happiness.